Take the first step in feeling good and looking great with brighter, whiter teeth in 1 hour. Genuine Advanced Zoom Teeth Whitening is the most advanced teeth whitening system available today. Zoom Teeth Whitening is safe, effective and fast and performed by a dental professional. The Zoom Whitening procedure lightens your teeth up to 8 shades, giving you a beautiful, younger looking smile. Nothing whitens better or faster.
I'm extremely busy with my job, so when my dentist told me I could be whiter in an hour and a half, it was the perfect solution for me.
Wow, the results are fantastic. I was really happy to have Zoom and yeah, thoroughly enjoyed the experience.
Right, let's have a look at the results. Right, Richard, obviously explain just briefly again. Obviously we see now the finished result.
Yes, we've just put a little bit of filler around the mouth area and the what we call the nasal labial area and the top lip, and just a little bit on the chin area. We've just done a small amount, so you're not going to see drastic results. And usually, in fact, it's better to do it over a couple of sessions so that the products do bed into the tissues rather than putting a lot in one go.
I mean, that's what I think a lot of doctors now say, a little is better.
I would say so, yes.
Yeah, and then obviously someone would come back for repeat treatments.
It's a bit like building a house in terms of putting down foundations and then putting layers on top to get a better result.
You're happy?
Yeah, very happy.
Well, I've got another guest of ours, a cosmetic dentist from Hampstead, Linda Greenwell. Linda's going to talk to us a little bit about Mandy's teeth and what popular dental treatments are available for women these days.
Well, of course, the first thing is what Mandy wants. That's very important because she's the patient, and her hopes and wishes and aspirations for her dentistry is very important to understand what she wants. So when we're talking about colour, we're talking about how white does she want her teeth to be. That is another factor. If she's having Invisalign treatment, many people want a very simple change. They don't want, as you were saying with the Botox and Restylane, you don't want a massive change. You want subtle differences that make a big difference to a patient's confidence, to a person's ability to speak and feel good about themselves. So another treatment which patients have is bonding. They have white fillings placed directly over the teeth because she has beautiful, healthy teeth. You don't want to destroy any of her enamel to have veneers done if it's not necessary. So
Are these treatments expensive?
No, the whitening treatment is very reasonable, but you must go to a dentist, a properly trained dentist, to have the whitening treatments undertaken, because they're the best ones to know the mouth. It's quite a controversial issue.
Yeah,
and they should be the ones to do it.
Okay.
And then the bondings, again, is white fillings placed directly on the teeth. That is not expensive. Invisalign, similar price to regular braces, without having the braces.
Great. Well, there you go, Mandy. You've got a,
I'll be
a full,
booking in.
full rundown. Right, now the moment you've all been waiting for. Yes, our Mythbuster on Botox. Let's check it out.
I'm here to get hot and sweaty. And there's no better way to get hot and sweaty than wearing medieval clothing and to do some jousting.
I'll be in very shortly. Crossing over, a lot of people think you can. The impact's on the left. You're going to hit on your hip and you hit on the shield. Scrub the shield.
Many of you know that botulinum toxin can be injected to eradicate lines and wrinkles. But I'm here to find out whether it can be injected under my armpits to stop sweating completely.
A small number of people suffer from excessive sweating of their armpits. However, at Riverbanks Clinic, we offer botulinum toxin injections, which are injected very, very carefully into the armpits. Within a couple of days, the sweating has reduced to normal levels. Let's rest your back so your moves don't aren't sore for us. With botulinum toxin treatments, you can't stop normal physiological sweating. You can only reduce excessive sweating. Your body needs to sweat.
Come on. Up.
We only recommend any medical intervention such as botulinum toxin for excessive sweating if they suffer from excessive sweating, not if they just want to stop sweating.
Well, it's been a long day jousting and sword fighting. But the moment you've all been waiting for is to find out the results. As you can see today, I have been sweating, but it seems where I had the botulinum toxin injections, there is less perspiration under this armpit. So it's probably safe to say that having these types of injections does help reduce sweating or perspiration, but does not stop sweating completely. So for me, I'm off to the medieval bars, take the shirt off and clean myself up.